Monday, 3rd of November. It's hoping to be in Melbourne today. Almost 12:30. Don't think I'm going to make it. Kind of positive though. I'm not at work today, and it hasn't actually rained, but it was meant to. Maybe tomorrow. We'll try again. 12:20. It's now Tuesday the 4th. 12:20. So basically the same day, 24 hours later since the last video. Still waiting. So I was hoping to be on the Great Ocean Road by now, with the Tesla heading back to Adelaide, but still waiting. 5th of November now. 3 p.m. Made it to Adelaide.
It's after 3 o'clock.
That bird just tried to kill me.
Yeah, well, it's probably got a nest somewhere.
Yeah, well, there you go. All right, still waiting to hear. Back in the car. Yeah. So I guess we'll wait and see whether I'm going to Melbourne tomorrow or not.
You didn't see Adam?
Alright, so here we are, back in Broken Hill. Still no Tesla. Still no paperwork signed. So tomorrow's my last day off. Not sure why these things always happen about midday, but it's now the 7th. I just got an email saying that the company's received all the signatures they need. So today will be settlement day. It's 35 degrees, blowing a gale.
Are we gonna stop?
Okay, so it's 5:15 on Thursday the 13th.
Yeah.
So I have a cameraman with me.
Yep, that's me.
Offside that you can't quite see because it's still very dark.
Yes.
And so we've wet our alarms set for 5:15. It's now 5:18, and so I just woke up randomly about 20 minutes ago. Went, oh, I'll get up, because as we can see, the sky's starting to get a little bit lighter. So today is delivery day, or pickup day. So I'm going to leave Brokers. We have at least a 10-hour drive ahead of us.
Oh.
Is the servo open? Oh, there's another car on the road. Very shiny. So yeah, we're gonna head down to the servo, fill up with petrol, diesel, and head on out of here and see how far we can get, and how close we can get to Melbourne CBD before 5 o'clock Victorian time. So story is, I'm in Central Time, so it's 5:20 now, but it's 10 to 6 in Melbourne, so we're already half an hour down just with the time zone difference. So yeah, 3 hours to Mildura, and then maybe another 6.5, possibly 7.
6,
7 to get to Melbourne. So yeah, we'll do what we can.
The dust rolls red beneath the sky. Sunset burns as trucks roll by. Volcanic roads where the silence stays. Lures fire at the end of days. One day, one road, through the stories untold. From the city lights bright to the deserts of gold. I'll carry these places simple and true. The journey's the song that keeps breaking through. riverbanks to dusty lines, cattle trails and outback signs, old roadhouse coffee in the morning glow. Every mile has a story to show. One day, one road, through the stories untold. From the city lights bright to the deserts of gold, I'll carry these places simple and true. The journey's the song that keeps breaking through. From Cooper Patey's caves underground to
So it's currently 4:05. Got 45 minutes to go to get there. So, or 42 minutes. I'm cutting it very fine. So, any hold-ups, and I'll be camping out the front of the car yard tonight.
springs where the stars surround, lightning ridge dreams in opal light, outback roads fade into night. One day, one road, through the stories untold. From the city lights bright to the deserts of gold, I'll carry these places.
5:22.
I don't like traffic.
This place shut 22 minutes ago, but they've rang me and they're going to stay and wait.
This is nice.
So we've got 2 kilometres to go till we're there. One of those cars would be alright, wouldn't it? Okie dokie, so we are in Geelong. Tesla is ours. My co-pilot's pretty happy, just on the other side of this camera here. We booked a place on an app. Got there, they were closed. Rang the emergency number, very apologetic. I'm so sorry. They hadn't received our booking because they were full anyway. So the app has actually booked the wrong date for me. So that's all paid. So I need to ring them tomorrow and get a refund. Booked a second place. Took a bit to find, but we got here and it's actually really nice and cheap as well. So time is now 9:15. Gonna get some sleep and see what tomorrow brings. And yeah, learn how to use these chargers. So with the transfer and everything, I can't use a fast charger, the Tesla chargers just yet, the superchargers. So I use the EV or the other networks to charge for anywhere up to a week. So we'll see how we go. I've learned how to it took me a couple of turns, but I worked out where the indicators were. I thought I was using them, I wasn't. So I was just a typical dickhead Tesla driver, driving around, changing lanes and turning corners without using an indicator. Halfway between Melbourne and Geelong, worked out how to use the cruise control. It's got enhanced. I haven't worked out how to use that yet, but just to maintain the speed. Pretty happy with that. I had to use ChatGPT to go, well, how do I put it in park? So yeah, all these rookie text messages. Yeah, all these things I
I need to pick up. All these things I need to pick up, you know, and I will. So yeah, tomorrow morning we'll get up, we'll get dressed. Apparently this room has breakfast included. So we'll do that, and then head down to the Gradation Road and find a charger and learn how to use that. So that should be interesting. Oh God, here we go. All right, see you in the morning.